Over time, a vehicle's windscreen can be pushed through numerous kilometers of road debris and inclement weather. When worn down or left uncoated, this can cause elements like water, sleet, or snow to stick to the glass in hazardous or undesirable fashion. Enter Turtle Wax's Clearvue Rain Repellent, a smear-free, easy-to-apply formula of crystal clear silicones and a fast-drying solvent that leave a perfectly transparent film that water can't stick to, repelling rain and more for months at a time. Once the water hits the treated glass, it immediately beads and wicks away. Clearvue Rain Repellent dramatically improves all-weather visibility, safety, and ease of driving, especially in wet conditions. With freshly washed and dried glass, moisten a clean, soft cloth with the Clearvue formula. Working with one area or piece of glass at a time, coat the glass using circular, overlapping motions. Once finished wiping the entire piece of glass, let the formula dry to a haze and then repeat the application step once more with the still damp cloth, completely wiping the glass and again allowing it to dry to a haze. Remove the second haze by sprinkling the glass surface with water, then drying using a paper kitchen towel until the glass is clear and sparkling. For peak performance, reapply the formula every month and to other windows, as Turtle Wax's Clearvue Rain Repellent can be applied to all exterior glass and even motorbike helmets and home patio doors. With a part of one's car so often overlooked and most often looked through, cleanliness meets comfort and safety with Turtle Wax's Clearvue Rain Repellent, creating the clearest view of the road through any inclement weather.